Hey, it is 7:40 in the morning and I'm leaving work, which means I left on time at 7:30. I suppose that's a good start to the day for a 3-hour drive. So that's what it feels like to leave work on time. Woohoo! Alright, I am tooling down the 401 heading towards Toronto. I believe I'm going to be taking the 400 up to Aurelia for the antique construction equipment show. It's 9 o'clock. I spent a little bit more time at home than I planned. Had to make sure the kids knew what the hell they were doing. The twins are going to Canada's Wonderland for a haunted Halloween thingy. Logan's got to work. So does Sandra, so I'm doing this trip solo. So as I mentioned earlier, I worked last night. So other than a 20-minute nap at 4 o'clock, I haven't slept since probably 10:45 last night. So I'm probably going to be taking a nap somewhere along the side of the road on the way home later. So anyway, let's see what we managed to film at the show. So we're at the Simcoe County Museum. It's actually so busy that they're having to have people park across the street because that busy highway. Here are some of the attachments for one of their cranes. A link belt, although I don't know if I've seen a link belt yet. But here, of course, is the backhoe shovel attachment. And then there's at least 2 crane booms here. You can see there's the lower and the upper part of each set. And a air compressor parked next to it. I don't know if this is the link belt that backhoe shovel and crane belong to. But it's the only link belt I've seen. They do have a padlock on the door, even though they're missing the front cab glass. But it looks like it certainly could be operable. You can see the carriage mechanism there for the turntable. Yeah. It's not moving on its own though, because the drive chains are missing from, you can see the pulley back there, the sprocket I should say, and the actual drive sprocket. Although, if you look carefully, you can see there's a little bit of a shine there, so it hasn't been too long since it was operating under its own power. S. McNally and Sons, Hamilton, Toronto contractors. The extra counterweights piled up on top of the regular counterweight are interesting. You can see they don't exactly share the exact same profile. But you can see the 2 bolts that they fit onto. Lots of moss on it.